Hello, lovely people. Welcome to an exciting episode of Z Connect. Dubai is buzzing this season with fashion weeks, star-studded award shows, headline-making campaigns that are adding more sparkle to the city's calendar. And right here on the show, we've got the very best of it all. From spectacular fashion runway highlights to the glittering world of cinema, even an opportunity that could turn dreams into reality. So without any further ado, let's begin. When it comes to fashion, Dubai is always at the forefront. And the Global Media Fashion League, organized by GMH Events, held at Dubai World Trade Center, was a shining example of that. Leading designers brought their best to the runway, and celebrities added their glamour by showcasing these vibrant collections. The evening was a true celebration of creativity, style icons, and elegance. Let's take a look at how the night unfolded.
Hi, good evening. I am Hanif Sheikh, founder, chairman, Emirates Holding Group. Today we are here for GMFL season 5, and year by year it is getting grand. We are so proud to associate with GMFL, and this is our effort. Every year we try to bring and support the fashion industry of Dubai actually. This is our efforts actually to bring fashion industry to make #1 in the world from Dubai. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, GFL. It was a very wonderful show. We loved doing Ferrara here in Dubai. Ferrara, basically, it's a new international Italian product, which is a fashion fabric for business suits and for casual. Here in Dubai, it's a very nice location to launch this. As Dubai is one of the fashion cities, we would like to do the next year also, this event. Thank you.
We are excited that today we have launched Ferrara in Dubai. It's the youngest brand driven by the fashion and the Italian innovation. We are proud that we have been launching this brand ever since for the last 3 years, right from Singapore to Australia and now in Dubai. The audience has really appreciated the fabric, the styles, and the craftsmanship of the garments. I'm really proud. Thank you so much for them. Thank you so much.
No, definitely working for Ferrara was very special because it comes from one of the genius houses launching an Italia brand, and I feel most importantly having an international taste, yet understanding the different colors which have not been explored currently. And we normally, when we go into the like making any suiting or shirting, so we normally play safe, but these colors need to be explored, these designs need to be explored, and I think that's where the Western culture will follow the Indian culture in the Italian style.
Hi, this is Pankaj Soni and I'm here at GMFL Dubai. And let me talk about the show. The show has been very, very interesting show. It's the first time we've tied up with an Italian brand called Ferrara. We've enjoyed working with Ferrara so much. You know, the texture, the kind of fabric what they've been blending, it's fantastic. I would recommend, suggest all the young generation people to probably, carry forward Ferrara fabric as their future fabric brand. And, a designer like me, probably, we both the brands together should probably bring out a great change for the new and young generation.
Hi, good evening. This is Ritu Shivpuri here from Dubai. As you can see, GMFL, and this is the wonderful designer Komal Wadhwani, who I was the celebrity showstopper for tonight. And it's been an amazing show. Mr. Tanveer, Mr. Parimal, our stylist Rehan Shah, they've all done a spectacular job. And her designs are gorgeous, as you can see. And hopefully it will be available to you soon in Dubai. And I'm going to hand it over to the designer to tell us something about herself.
Hi everyone, this is Komal Wadhwani, the creative force behind Atlantic Designs. I'm so amazed to showcase my stuff here in Dubai. So amazing, my showstopper and the whole team, I'm so happy about it. I hope to get very good business from Dubai and all over.
Good evening, everybody. This is your Neha Saxena, and I'm right here, and I just walked the ramp for GMFL Season 5, Geetu's Gravity label, designed by Geeta Ramachandra. You can just look at me. I'm all dressed up so beautifully in a vibrant color red. So I must say kudos to the entire team for putting up such a great show. It's not so easy. And sending lots of good wishes to Tanveer and the entire team, as well as my dearest friend Geeta and Rafna. God bless you both. Lots of love.
Hi, myself Geeta Ramachandra, a label called Geetu's Gravity Designer Studio, which is located in Malleshwaram, Bangalore, India. And I'm so proud that I showcased my collection in Dubai. It is like, I'm mesmerized actually. I don't have what to tell only. I'm completely speechless. The collections is all about the street style collections. We blended with the old Indian ethnic cultures and motifs and the colors. We blended together and we bought into Indian Indo-Western collections. And thank you for the team, and especially for Rafna, one of my jewelry partner who has supported me a lot.
So both of us together wants to say a big thanks to
Dubai
and
GMFL.
So thank you, Dubai. Thank you, GMFL. We'll come back to next year with some more exciting designs.
Love you, Dubai.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Minaz. I'm the designer for Designs by Minaz. My collection is from Los Angeles, California, which talks about heritage with modern couture, where every piece is designed to talk about confidence and sophistication for every modern woman of today. And I'm here today to show my designs at the GMFL, where I'm very thankful to all the people who organized the show, especially Mr. Tanveer and every person in the media, and also my friends and family, because of whom I'm here. So very thank you to everybody who's been a part of this show. Thank you so much.
I'm truly delighted and very honored to work as a showstopper for my ultimate favorite, the designer Priya Katarepuri, who herself looks like a goddess, and she makes sure that all her models and all the celebrity showstoppers look like her, like a goddess. She is, I must say, one of the most, as far as I know, the most stunning looking designers. Well, you can see in all her designs the kind of stunningness, the beautiful design she has. She herself also looks so beautiful. So I am very honored to work for you, and you are it was such a pleasure experience.
You know, it's women like you who inspire me to make these beautiful clothes. Because I love to make glamorous clothes. I love to make women feel more beautiful. I think fashion is not about just clothes, it's about feeling beautiful. So it's the honor and the pleasure is all mine, darling. Really all mine. It was beautifully organized show, by the way.
every year it gets better and better, and so we are looking forward to come for the next one as well.
And also, huge congratulations to Mr. Tanveer, who has been, putting up such a great show. Congratulations to you and your team.
Hi guys, this is Archana Kocher and today I'm in Dubai, and I would really like to say that Dubai is supporting Indian culture, Indian designers, and I really appreciate it, and their support is incredible. Also today I've just done the grand finale of GMFL Fashion Week, and I would like to thank the entire team of GFML and Tanveer especially.
That was an absolute feast for the eyes. But now it's time for a short break. Don't go anywhere because we are taking you straight to meet your favorite stars right after the break. Welcome back. SIIMA continues to stand tall as one of the most prestigious celebrations of South Indian cinema brought to the UAE in partnership with their local host, Truckers UAE. Day 2 was dedicated to Tamil and Malayalam films, and the evening was nothing short of spectacular. From dazzling red carpet looks to emotional award moments, and also the presence of some of the industry's biggest stars. Here's a glimpse for you all. Welcome to Day 2 of SIIMA Awards 2025. We are once again here, and today we are celebrating the Tamil and the Malayalam industry. There are a lot of recognitions, a lot of big stars that we'll be meeting here at the red carpet. Let's go. So it's really excited to see you here at SIIMA 2025. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. I'm also excited because actually this is my first SIIMA because last 13 years I was doing this film, my God Life. So this is my first attempt.
So the way SIIMA celebrates South Indian cinema worldwide, what are your thoughts about it?
It's a very good concept because this South Indian, because in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, all artists, technicians are interchanging and all are working together. So for that, only for South India, that's a great thing.
What is next in line from you? We are always excited to see your projects.
Yeah, I am also thinking that's in the final process only.
Something will be coming soon.
Yes.
Great, sir. Thank you so much for talking to us. Hello. Excited to be at SIIMA 2025?
Yeah.
You look very cool and comfortable. So did you plan your look in advance, or was it like a last minute thing?
Actually, to be very frank, I have planned my look. First time in my life for an event, I have planned something like this.
Yeah, like weeks in advance, huh?
Wore my comfortable clothes, normal pants and shirt like that. I don't like to wear shoes and all. I feel like somebody is holding me now. So, but sometimes you have to be like this. So many of my friends told me to do this, and my wife insisted me to do this definitely this time. So we have set this look.
Does your wife tell you there's one fashion rule that you should always follow on red carpets, or do you have some rule like that?
No, nothing like that. I just wanted to be myself. whichever I am comfortable.
Okay, tell me what is exciting you tonight at SIMA Awards?
No, for this film which I have been nominated on Vale, it's a very special film from Mari Selvaraj and team. So I'm waiting for that. I've been nominated.
Congratulations on the nomination. It's truly deserved. If you win, where is the party tonight?
Yes.
Where will be the party? We are coming.
The Paramount. Please join us. Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Looking absolutely ravishing on the red carpet, yeah? Has this look been planned for weeks or was it like a last minute thing?
We just planned it like for last week. My stylist Vinod worked on it for me.
So you liked all the sparkling stuff on the red carpet, huh? Is there like...
After doing a lot of concerts, it's become something normal.
become a thing.
Yeah.
And it's something you have to learn from Uncle also, right? Great. Tell me, what are you looking forward to the most at SIMA 2025?
I'm rooting a lot for Amaran because there's a lot of nominations for Amaran, so really rooting for the film.
Superb. And what can we see coming from you in the future?
A lot of films are coming up this year. Idli Kada is coming up. Then again, 2 films with Dulquer. And then Surya Sir's film. A lot of films are coming up.
Great. Thank you so much for talking to us. Right. Excited to be here at SIMA 2025.
Yes. We've been here a couple of years and it's always fun to come to SIMA, and especially with our close friends Vishnu Induri and Brinda doing a great job in organizing this, no?
It's a good opportunity to connect with your industry people also. And you meet people across South India, so it's...
Not just meet, I think it's a great platform that is celebrating South Indian cinema worldwide, right? What are your thoughts?
So the idea with SIMA was to present South Indian cinema as being globally influencer, right? So I think SIMA does a great job of that, and having it in a place like Dubai, which has population from the south, from the north, from all over the world, makes sense.
And we love seeing great movies coming from you, and we hope we'll have more and more in the future. Thank you so much. Welcome to SIMA 2025. You look very cool and comfortable. Was this a planned look or you just decided last minute this is what I want to wear?
This is how it is. I like to be comfortable within myself. So, जो है वो मिल गया, ये शर्ट मिला, मम्मी ने दिया था यार. Mom gave it to me. So.
Tell me, whose performance for you has been like something that you were awestruck by over the past year?
So I always believe that when it comes to cinema, it is a very subjective space to be. Every actor performs to his capacity and every performance is very different. I personally don't believe in comparing performances because we all do it in our little ways. But since it is a platform that kind of brings people recognized, so it is just being the luckier one will get it, that's it.
Yeah. If you could swap your role with someone else for a day, who would that be and why?
Again, I don't know, but it could be anybody. Whoever wants to take the best, they can.
Perfect. Thank you so much. You look stunning, like I was saying. Was this like a planned look for weeks or was it?
Definitely. I heard about SIMA and I was like, I'm going to wear my mom's old sari. This is like a 30-year-old sari of my mom's. Really? She used to wear this when she dropped me at school. And I used to be so like, I don't know, in love with it. Whenever she would bring, I'll be wearing my uniform like that. And so today I feel very happy that I'm wearing it.
Such an emotional moment for you, right? So tell me, how excited are you to be at SIMA 2025? What do you think of this platform that celebrates South Indian cinema globally, worldwide?
I think there is something to be said about the fact that SIMA started at a time when there was more of a divide about calling every other language cinema in India regional cinema. Yeah. And now there's a lot of pan-Indian talks and there's a lot more acceptance and OTTs come and all that. So SIMA started doing this way before, where there was a collective focus on celebrating South Indians films without putting it in a category of, oh, this South Indian, that's North Indian kind of a thing. So kudos to them for continuing to do that, and also this time I'm very excited because I have 2 nominations, one in Tamil and one in Malayalam. So I feel extremely lucky and blessed.
If there is one person, you could say one person for each for your nominations. If you would dedicate this nomination to, who would that be?
Actually, currently, and I think most of the time I feel this, for Malayalam movie, I want to dedicate it to my co-star Urvish Chechi, because she is the reason I got to be as good as in the movie. Obviously, my director is the reason I got the role, but she really is the reason. I look up to her. She is my hero. As an actor, I feel like she's our Meryl Streep. So I'll dedicate it to her. And Gangamal and Tangalan, it's to all the women. I feel like when one woman manages to get a role that is so well defined and well written, I think a lot of other female actors win in that process. So it's for all the women.
Wonderful. Last question. If you win maybe once, twice, where's the party tonight?
It's going to be in the room, in my pajamas, having Tair Sadum and going to sleep watching maybe Brooklyn Nine-Nine. That's me.
Great. No problem. Do that, and happy Onam to you. So day 2 of Saima, is it as exciting as day 1 was?
Definitely. Day 2 has Malayalam and Tamil, so I'm super excited.
Wonderful. You look stunning tonight. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing IKEA tonight. This is a Bombay-based brand, and I'm styled by one of my favorite stylists, Miji. So yeah, really happy to wear this.
Looking incredible, and you're just glowing even more with this sari.
Thank you.
What a magical evening. But our journey doesn't stop there. After a short break, I'm going to tell you about an incredible opportunity. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Index Exchange has launched its Win a Million campaign, giving customers a chance to take home a life-changing reward. But this time, the campaign was paired with a unique reality fashion show that celebrated individuality. This was episode 2, where it was not about luxury labels, but it was about bringing out the jalwa within each person, showcasing their own style story on the runway. And Zee TV was a proud partner. Let's take a look.
Good evening everybody. What a beautiful crowd. कैसे आप सब लोग? मतलब इतनी एनर्जी, वीकेंड की खुशी है. Thank you so much. मुझे पता है कि बहुत मुश्किल है वहाँ खड़े होना. Thank you. And a special shout out to Zee TV for such a beautiful concept. I mean, we all talk about inclusiveness and progressiveness and stuff like that, but doing something, taking an initiative towards it is amazing. It's a beautiful concept. I know a lot of people are walking for the first time and they need our encouragement, our support. Thank you so much to Zee TV, to Index Exchange and to all of you guys.
सबसे पहले हम लोग जो है शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं दुबई पुलिस की तरफ से इंडेक्स एक्सचेंज को हर कोई प्रोग्राम में जो दुबई पुलिस को चांस दे रहा है आकर जो भी खास तौर पे आप लोग के साथ जितना भी लेबर भाई लोग हैं आप लोग भाई है नहीं है नहीं है अगर नहीं है तो बोलो ओके आप लोग भाई है आप लोग के साथ कुछ मालूमात हासिल करना है और मालूमात देने के लिए और जो मालूमात है कोई भी पुलिस वाला आप लोग को जब वीडियो कॉल करता है हमारा नाम मोहम्मद अब्दुल्ला हम दुबई पुलिस से बात करता है कोई भी ऐसा बंदा फोन मिला उसको बोला तुम्हारा आईडी नंबर दियो तुम्हारा ओटीपी नंबर दियो ये है सब जो है फेक है सब गलत आदमी है लोग दुबई पुलिस कभी भी जो है आप लोग को वीडियो कॉल नहीं करेगा अगर कोई भी बंदा को मांगता है उसी टाइम पुलिस वालों को पता है आप लोग का जगह किधर है फ्रॉड लोग जो आप लोग का पैसा का पीछे पड़ा हुआ है, ये नहीं सोचो कि लेबर भाई लोग के पास दिमाग नहीं है कि नहीं है? इधर मिला, उधर है दिमाग। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।
मेरा गुड इवनिंग सबको। एंड जी टीवी बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है कि इंडेक्स एक्सचेंज ने हमारे साथ हमको ये मौका दिया है कि यहाँ पे जो अमेजिंग टैलेंट हम लोग देखेंगे उसको हम कवर करेंगे अपने चैनल पे। आप जी टीवी पे देख सकते हैं इसको। आप जी टीवी मीना जो हमारा इंस्टाग्राम का हैंडल है, अपना जो शो यहाँ पे होगा उसको आप देख सकते हैं। तो फॉलो करिए जी टीवी को इंस्टाग्राम पे, फेसबुक पे, यूट्यूब पे, और यहाँ पे जो आज आप प्रोग्राम देखेंगे उसको टीवी पे देखने का मौका पाइए। थैंक यू सो मच इंडेक्स एक्सचेंज फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी।
We are end of the episode 2 of the Jalwa one today, and we expected this kind of response, and we were aware of the fact that there will be tens and hundreds and thousands of people around today. And the participants are not some professional model. They are regular ones. They are the ones who are earning their bread and butter day in and day out, and they have left their homes and come over here to send back money home. And Index has been doing that for 50 years to almost 50 years, that sending money back home to the loved ones, whoever has come over here and is earning the bread and butter. This show is the heartfelt tribute to the people who keep their dreams alive even in the hardest most times. So, and this is in association with ZTV, and ZTV provides us that platform. They have helped us to push these dreams go much bigger and much higher. It's a regular promotion which we do every year during Diwali and Dasara. Your look, your way, your Jalwa on this platform. Next time again. Thank you very much. Thank you.
मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी सुनार है और मैं नेपाल से हूँ। अभी मैं दुबई में हूँ। मुझे ये फैशन शो करने का बहुत मन था। ये प्लेटफॉर्म पाने के लिए अभी मुझे इंडेक्स और जीटीवी ने बहुत मदद किया है। उसके लिए बहुत सारा मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी।
हेलो, मेरा नाम तुषार श्रेष्ठ है, मैं नेपाल से हूँ। अभी आज मैं एक फैशन इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, जलवा। तो ये प्रेजेंटेड बाय ZTV है और ऑर्गेनाइज किया है इंडेक्स एक्सचेंज ने। एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि मैं फर्स्ट रनर अप का मैं पोजीशन होल्ड किया है अभी। सो आई वांट टू थैंक एवरीवन, all the one people who did sponsored and presented this, especially to the Jalwa and the ZTV and to the Index as well. Thank you.
From the stunning Global Media Fashion League to the glitz and glamour of Saima, and of course the exciting campaign from Index Exchange, this has truly been a power-packed episode. We'll be back next Sunday with more stories, more celebrations, and more ways to keep you connected. Until then, do follow us on our socials and share your feedback. Take care. See you soon.